everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am May, a wife, a mother, a child of God. So, in my videos, I share about my daily devotion. So, let me share to you my devotion for today in Luke chapter 10, where the story about Martha and Mary. So, narinig ko na yung story ni Martha and Mary few years ago. So, maraming taon ko na siyang narinig, but still naririnig ko pa rin siya kasi it makes us realize ano ba talaga dapat ang priority natin as a Christian. So, simulan natin sa verse 1. Sabi dito, after this, the Lord appointed 72 others and sent them by two ahead of him to every town and place where he was about to go. So, Jesus sent 72 na mga tao for for each town to share the word of God. So, meaning to say, dun sa town nila Martha and Mary, most likely, meron ng mga taong pinadala si God. And aware yung mga tao na to na parating na si Jesus. So, kung iisipin, there is enough time for Martha and Mary to prepare everything. Magluto, maglinis ng bahay, and everything. But what happened next? Nung dumating si Jesus sa bahay ni Martha at Mary, si Mary umupo lang siya sa paanan ng ating Panginoon, nakinig sa mga sinasabi ng ating Panginoon Jesus. But itong si Mary is nagpaka-busy. Busy sa maggawa ng gawaing bahay, let's say naglinis ba, or nagluto, whatever it is. Martha show na napaka-busy niya. Even Martha asked Jesus na tulungan, sabihin kay Mary na tulungan siya, pero kinorek siya ng Panginoon ni Jesus. Sabi dito, Martha, Martha, the Lord answered, you are worried and upset about many things, but few things are needed, or indeed only one. Mary has chosen what is better, and I will not be taken away from her. Mary chooses to sit sa paahan ni Jesus, makinig, to worship Jesus, unlike Martha is so busy. Minsan, we have to analyze ourselves. Ano ba yung intention natin? Our intention ba is to worship God? Ano ba yung priorities natin in life? Do we prioritizing God over anything else? Or sobrang busy na natin at nakakalimutan na natin umupo at mag-pray at kausapin at mag-devotion?